Hi, Tim Biggam back for Delta Derivatives, Option Hedges and Edges, taking a look at a market that finally may be back as we're seeing a long-awaited bounce this morning after seeing a huge reversal yesterday. Open lower today, kind of like the price action today. This may be a tradable low here. I'm certainly using the opportunity, the combination of the VIX, which traded up to 25 yesterday, the highest we've seen in a long time for a close. So expensive options and cheaper stock prices, to me, sets up nicely for some out-of-the-money put sales. Stocks that have cratered are my favorites here. Looking at a stock like NVIDIA coming out with earnings. Stock, I didn't like it at 270. Now that's below 200, targeting to be a buy around that 170 level. Selling the November 170 puts, and because implied vol is up not only because of the market but in front of earnings, getting very rich premiums for that. Be a willing buyer of NVIDIA below 170. Looking at the same sort of strategy on Alibaba. That stock not too long ago over 200, now approaching the 130 level. I'm going out to December this time, selling the 115 puts, and again, implied vols up here, valuations have come down here. I like that combination as well. Taking a look at some unusual option activity, IQ is another stock that not too long ago was poking its head towards 50, now traded around 22. I've seen big time repeat call buying over the past week in the December 22.5 calls. Someone looking for IQ, which has only been public about 7 months here, to hang on to some major support here. I'm following along with that going out to January, jumping into those 22.5 calls, getting it at a lower IV and giving myself a little more time. So it looks like, at least for the time being, the market may have found a bottom here. We shall see. Those Chinese tariff fears, I think, are going to be overblown, as many things in the Trump administration, the bluster outweighs the actual here. Stocks like Boeing and the Chinese stocks, I think, are starting to look rather attractive here. So until next time, as always, here's a good trading. Take care.